Hello everyone. This video I will talk about our paper titled Representation Learning Framework for Property Graphs, which is accepted in KDD 2019. Graphs are ubiquitous due to the flexibility of using graphs to model data in a wide spectrum of applications. Many complex information can be described by graph models easily. For example, the biological graphs. It presents the relationships between many small regions in human brain, specialized for processing certain types of information. The online social networks that represents the friend relationship between users. And the supply graphs for e-commerce platforms, showing how to transfer products to users after the order. If we want to do some machine learning tasks on graphs, for a simple example like we want to classify the nodes, things will become much more complicated, since graphs are no Euclidean data. Simply speaking, we cannot promise that every graph has the same number of nodes, and different nodes turn to have different number of connecting neighbors. Therefore, people try to map each node into a node-dimensional Euclidean space, while preserving most of the graph information like its topology. That's graph representation learning, also called graph embedding. However, most existing graph embedding methods either focus on plain graphs with only the graph topology or consider properties on nodes only. This kind of graph data cannot describe the information exactly. For example, if we want to describe the information about what a property graph is, we say property graph contains nodes and relationships, where nodes are organized by relationships and both nodes and relationships may have some properties. Using attribute graph, we can only know these four things have some relationships between them. However, if we use property graph model, there's no information loss at all. Actually, most graph databases hold the data with that format. Therefore, to solve that problem, we propose PGE, a graph representation learning framework that incorporates both node and edge properties into the graph embedding procedure. PGE adopts the popular inductive model for neighborhood aggregation and utilizes different strategies to handle different kinds of relationships. Besides, PGE uses node clustering to assign bias to differentiate neighbors of a node, and leverages multiple data-driven matrices to aggregate the property information of neighbors sampled based on the bias strategy. For example, if PGE clustered the nodes into three types, red, black, and blue presented with circle line, it may capture that for nodes, relationships is more important than properties.